comes down to it, if you want to get a house, you can. There were 816 people who did get a house just last week. And so it's definitely possible, but you have to be aggressive and know what you're doing. And one of the main things that I see that needs to be done in this market is that you have to, as a buyer, come in with your cleanest offer, with your best offer and everything in order to get it done. So one thing is that if you're 100% approved from that house for a house and it's not going to be anything about you that would get approved for that, you need to really waive the financing contingency, in my opinion. The seller's going to get cash one way or the other. And if you're approved and everything and you're comfortable with it, then that's one thing that you can do to make sure that you're coming in with a cleaner offer. Another thing that you can do, and another thing that you need to address, is what you're going to do in the event that a home doesn't appraise, and what are you going to do about that. And basically the bottom line is that you're not going to go above market price, because the price that you got that home for is the market price, and it changes on a daily basis. The banks are just using the appraisal as an insurance policy almost in regards to what their value is. So it's like their risk analysis that they're doing. So the appraisal doesn't necessarily affect the market value, but it does sometimes affect the amount of money that you can get for a loan. So I was talking to somebody the other day, and what they actually did is that they were putting 10% down on the house, but they went ahead and they were having a 5% loan, and then they were using that other 5% as something that in case they needed to, that they could come up above the appraisal. And guess what? They got the house by doing that. So that's what I'm saying about being creative, figuring out what you need to do in order to make things happen.